Hey, it's me. Okay, here's a question that might just bend your brain. Could where you live change how fast you age? Like if you lived at the top of a skyscraper, would you get older or younger than someone on the ground floor? Let's step inside the science elevator and find out. So imagine you're in a fancy glass elevator shooting up to the top of a super tall skyscraper. Your friend is hanging out in the lobby sipping coffee. You both have perfectly synchronized atomic clocks ticking away. Now here's where things get weird thanks to something called gravitational time dilation. According to Einstein's theory of general relativity, gravity doesn't just pull on your shoes, it actually warps time itself. The stronger the gravity, the slower time ticks by. That means the closer you are to the center of the Earth where gravity is strongest, the slower your clock runs. Step higher up, like to the top of a skyscraper, and gravity's grip weakens just a little. Your clock? It runs a tiny bit faster, but wait, you might ask, how tiny is tiny? Well, scientists have tested this with atomic clocks, super precise gadgets that can spot time differences as small as a billionth of a second. In one experiment, clocks placed just 1 meter apart, one lower, one higher, ticked at measurably different rates. The higher clock aged faster, even though the difference was only about 90 billionths of a second in a year. So, if you lived year after year at the top of a skyscraper, you'd age ever so slightly faster than your friend in the lobby. Over your whole life, we're talking maybe a few microseconds. Not enough to notice, but enough for science to prove. And here's where my mind melts. This doesn't just apply to skyscrapers. Astronauts on the International Space Station are even farther from Earth, so gravity is weaker there. But they're also zooming around the planet at 28,000 kilometers per hour, and special relativity says speed slows down time. So, astronauts actually age a bit slower overall thanks to their crazy velocity. It's a cosmic tug-of-war between gravity and speed, stretching and squeezing time itself. So could where you live affect how you age? Absolutely, it's just a teeny tiny effect. Next time you take an elevator, remember you're literally changing how quickly you experience time, even if it's by less than a blink. Kind of makes you wonder, what other invisible forces are shaping our lives right under or above our noses? Thanks for riding the science elevator with me. Don't forget to subscribe for more brain-bending questions.